Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cube video on CapCut PC. So just going to go to the crop button, which is here. Select the 1:1 crop ratio, confirm, and then you're going to choose any color that you want from the backgrounds. Add it. Again, go to the crop section and select 1:1. Go to mask and select the rectangle and reverse that and kind of create a frame with it. Go back to basic, go to blend mode and choose whichever blend mode will show you the frame. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Then you're just going to simply go to animation, go to combo and select the cube. You can choose either cube 4, cube 3, cube 5. Totally up to you. If you want to add in another background, you can just go down here to canvas, make sure it's on the first track. Go to styles or color. I don't know. It's totally up to you which one you want to choose for the background. Like that one maybe. Oops. Currently can't add that one. I'm just going to add this one, and then I'm just going to scale the video so it's a little bit larger, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!